Hi! In front of me is Asus ROG Phone 6D, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. You need to begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in Magic Fluids. Then download this free app from Mad Scientist Developer. When it's ready, open it. You can mute the music right away by tapping on the bottom left corner. Then click on those three lines at the bottom right one. Select Set as Live Wallpaper and click on this gear at the top right one. Then choose I accept in First Things First pop-up and adjust all of those options however you want to. When you're ready, tap on the back button, choose Set as Live Wallpaper and decide if you wish to apply it on home screen or home screen and lock screen. So when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!